Guess where I'm going to? Let's see what I find new.
So if you haven't been to Dollar Tree lately, let me tell you, they're already putting the Christmas decor out. Isn't that crazy? These little snowman ornaments I think are new because I didn't see them last year. These are great to use in DIYs. Seems like the ornaments from last year are back, but also some new ones. These right here are so pretty. I love them. They look like traditional red and white ornaments. I love the red for Christmas. I just love to decorate with red. What about you? I think these are new. I didn't see them last year. These will look so nice with your traditional Christmas decor. And these are very nice as well if you like to decorate farm style. And they have these that say snow with that buffalo check. I love it. And the owls are back this year. They also have these plastic snowflakes. And the large ball ornaments are back. I love these, so I'm gonna grab several of the red. They also have these cute Santa Clauses, so if you like to decorate with them, go get some. Let me show you that the small little miniature Christmas trees are back. You can do so many DIYs with these. I'm going to be doing several, so if you see them, pick them up before they're gone. Okay, this is not anything to do with Christmas, but they do have the pool noodles in red, white, and green. So you know that they're putting them out there in case you want to use them for Christmas decorations. And guess what? I do have some plans for pool noodles for my Christmas decor. And in the crafting section, I found this pom-pom maker. Now this is a great tool to have if you don't know how to make pom-poms. And they also had these charms. Now these are great for crafting and making some bracelets or a necklace. These are very nice. Now I don't know if it's just a one-time thing that they had these charms or they're going to continue to have them. I don't know because I hadn't seen them. In the cleaning area, they had these stainless steel plus wipes. Now, I have to try these. I was excited to find them. These have 160 wipes. Let me know if you've tried them. Okay, this girl could not wait. I ran home and I said, I have to go try this. The towel is not too big. I tore out 2 of them, so let's see how they work. So I went over to my refrigerator and I started cleaning it, and first impression, it kind of has that same feel as those other expensive stainless steel wipes, and it seemed to be doing a really good job. Here at the bottom I still hadn't cleaned. Here at the top I had, and you could see a difference. And then I went over to my dishwasher, and here you could see it better. Here I still had not cleaned, and then here at the top I had already cleaned. You guys, this is a winner. You need to go and grab some if you see it at your Dollar Tree. Here I'm still using the same 2 towelettes. And then I moved on to the kitchen cabinets. Wow, I am so impressed. Also, Suavitel has this new line, and this is a Shed Shield fabric softener. I'll be trying this. So I had to try it as soon as possible. I went home and I grabbed a spray bottle and I poured 2 cups of water, and then I added half a cup of the Suavitel. And then I gave it a good mix. And then I sprayed my dog's bedding before I would put it in the wash. Now lastly, I want to talk about these storage bags. I absolutely love these, especially the extra large. You can store so much. Let me tell you what I use these for. When I run out of storage bins and I need to put all my fall or Christmas decorations, these are great for storing the leftover things that you just don't know what to do with them. And I also use the Dollar Tree metal hooks to hook the bags, and they work like a charm. I love them. Well, that's it for this video. You have a blessed day.